So guys, as you can see, my glaze has been thickened. And ready to be poured on my cake. Let it cool, then pour it on my cake. So this is my orange glaze. So the next time you see me, guys, this will be on my cake. Whoa.